guys, it's Miss Johnson. How are you guys doing? I am going to be drinking out of my lovely cup. I have some iced tea, my very favorite. And of course, my favorite, Chelsea made it for me. Thank you so much, Chelsea. Let me take a sip. Very refreshing. Okay, kids, so let me check our schedule for today. Let's see here. Looks like we don't have much to do today. Well, I guess we'll just get started by working on our multiplication facts, because you kids don't seem to be smart enough to know them. Well, we're going to get started with multiplication facts. Let me get my flower pen, and we'll pass out your papers. Let me get them. Okay, stack of papers. Everyone grab one. Okay, good. Everyone has one. And now we shall get started. And I will use this to grade. Okay, everyone has their papers, correct? Does everyone have their papers? Yes or no? Good, everyone has it. Now, when I say go, do not, no, everyone put your paper flip side over so you can't see it. Good. And there's division on there too, just so you know. Yeah, and like fractions. I don't even know what's on there, just, yeah. Anyways, when I say go, you're going to start. You're going to flip over your paper and you're going to start doing it. And the first to get it done, the quickest, is going to win something, a prize. I don't know yet, but you're going to win something. So this is going to be fun. We're going to see who wins. Okay, are you kids ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, wow. Kids are actually starting to work. Pretty good. Well, keep up the good work, kids. Keep going. Okay, kids. 20 seconds left. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, keep working. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And time's up. No more working. Okay, kids. Well, pass up your papers. Let's see how you did. Thank you. Okay, let's see. First, we have, Chelsea's paper, of course, in the very top. Chelsea. Oh, wow, Chelsea, you filled them all in? Let's see if they're all right. Oh, I bet they're all right anyways. Wow, Chelsea got an A+. Good job, Chelsea. Okay, Violet, let's see. Violet, you got one wrong. Really? Oh, whatever. Filbert, why is there only one done on the whole page? You only wrote one answer in? Seriously, Filbert? Ugh. F- on that. John. Well, you got most of them right. I'm impressed, okay? Good job. I'll just grade the rest of your papers later. But for now. Did I just hear a balloon? What was that? What was that, kids? Does anybody know? Would anyone care to tell me what that was? If you know, then tell me. Do you know, Emma? You don't? Filbert, do you know? For once it wasn't Filbert. Who would it be? Of course it wasn't you, Chelsea. John? John? Was that you? What is that? Is that a balloon that I see? Well, hand it over. Actually, don't hand it over. Just walk in front of the whole class so everyone can see you. Oh my gosh. What is this? Give it to me. Oh my gosh. Filbert. John. What? Are you serious? What even is... Whoa. Oh my... Filbert, what is this? John, whatever your name is. Oh my gosh. This is a mess. Okay, I'm gonna get to the bottom of this, figure out what this is. John, sit down for now. As soon as I figure out what this is, you're gonna probably get detention. Let's see. Whoa! Oh my... John, what are you bringing to school? Balloons? Why are there balloons in here? Huh? Pom-poms, glitter, tape. Well, I'm gonna read the instructions. Okay. Let's see. You got it for your birthday? Step 1. Oh, I guess I get to do it instead of you, John. Step 2, place blue ring on top of the dome. Interesting. Wonder what this is gonna be. Step 3, carefully wrap a balloon on the top. Interesting. Let me see. Oh, it doesn't even fit. I got it because I'm so smart. Is this some kind of balloon maker thing? Why do you have to put a balloon in here to make it? Why can't you just blow it up with your mouth? Kids these days are so lazy. Step 4, pump the air pump handle and the balloon will inflate. Interesting. And then you're supposed to add these? What is even the point of this? Why can't you just buy balloons at the store? Like, why do you have to even do this? It's so weird. Well, looks like the next step is to pump this up. Oh, wow. It's actually working. That's pretty cool. Wow. It's actually like a balloon. That's pretty cool, actually. Wow. I like it. It's pretty cool. It's not cool at all. Stop looking, kids. You're jealous? Did I get a fun balloon toy and you don't? Well, stop looking. Well, the next step. It looks like you put the glitter in. Well, that's fun. Anyways, let's put some glitter in. Ooh, gotta save some. Hey, Chelsea, which one should I put next? This one or this one? This one? Okay. Let's see. Kids, stop looking at me. Keep doing your work. Let's put some more sparkles in it. Filbert, can you go make me some more iced tea in that cup over there? Thank you. Very fancy. Wow, it's so pretty. I'm gonna add some of this string. This is actually more fun than I thought. I'm having a pretty good day. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to use my scissors for this part. And you know what, kids? While I'm doing this, I want you to get started on, well, I don't even care, but yeah, just get started on something, kids. And don't be jealous. I get a cool toy and you don't. Well, hope nobody walks into the class right now. Emma, why are you looking at me? Get started on your history page that I gave you yesterday. I know you didn't finish it, so keep going. Yeah, go get it. It's in the back of the class. Anyways, let's see. Ooh, it looks like I get to inflate it more. That's cool. This is a pretty cool project. Thanks for bringing it, John. Let's see. Ooh, very exciting. Look at this. I like it. Why isn't it working? I think I figured it out. Pretty cool. Now it's time for the next step. Let's see here. I think I need one of these clips thingies. Oh, I just noticed there's little balloons. How cute. I hate it when you stare at me. Stop looking at me. I see you. Stop looking. It's not funny. Stop looking at the balloon. I know you like it and you're jealous, but stop looking. Bad kids. Weird kids. I wonder what would happen if I popped it. Maybe I should pop it and make all the glitter land on Filbert. Would that be funny, huh? I think that's a pretty good idea. Hey, Filbert. Well, actually, I don't want to waste it on you because you might, like, enjoy the glitter or something. So just sit down. Well, anyways, thank you, John, for bringing this so I can confiscate it from you. It was very fun. You know, I wonder what would happen if I just... that's weird. Very weird. Let me try my special flower pen. John, did you rig this or something? Why isn't it popping, huh? That's weird. Maybe I should find something sharper. I wonder if I have a thumbtack left over from when you guys sat on them from the, sub. This is very weird. Well, I have decided if it doesn't pop this time, then Filbert and John will both get detention. Filbert for just being Filbert and John for bringing it. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Filbert and John get detention. I cannot figure out how to pop this balloon. This is very annoying. I don't want to cut myself. Gotta be careful. I'm sick of this. Why didn't I pop it? Why didn't I pop it? That's so weird. You definitely did rig it, John. This is the weirdest thing that has ever happened. This is very annoying. Now I can't pop this beautiful balloon I made. And it's all your fault, John. Thanks a lot. If you wouldn't have brought the balloon in the first place, then, well, I don't know, just detention for both of you. Finally, kids, I found a thumbtack. Is this the same one that teacher used on your chairs? Huh? Oh, I mean the sub? Well, that's funny. I mean, no, I mean, it's not funny at all. Anyways. That's very strange. John! Look at this mess you made on me, John! There's confetti everywhere! You get detention, John! And Filbert, of course, for making this balloon pop. Oh, now this disgusting confetti is everywhere. Not funny, kids. Stop laughing. Or else you're getting detention too. Anyways, oh, so gross. Oh, there's glitter everywhere. I don't know what to do. This is disgusting. I don't even know if I want to do another one of these balloons. But I am, because it's fun. You still get detention, John. And now I'm a professional and I know exactly how to do it. Wait, what's the first step? I mean, I know how to do it. Are you kids working on your math? Huh? Finally, you're actually working for once. Hurry up and get that work done, or take your time, I don't care. I'm a professional, this should work. Good, it's working. This time, I'm going to put pom-poms in it. That'll be very exciting, of course. This is such a fun activity. I wish all you kids could have it too and do the same project with me. That would be so fun. No, it wouldn't. I'm glad you guys can't do it with me. So much more fun by myself when everyone gets to watch me do this fun balloon project. Where's the other confetti? Why don't I see it? Ah, there it is. Oh, the lunch bell. Well, I guess you can head to lunch, kids. Bye. Oh, phew, the kids are gone. Well, this actually is kind of fun. I wonder why John brought it to class in the first place. Oh, right, he got it for his birthday. Maybe I shouldn't give John detention. Well, actually, I should. He's a rude kid. All because John just messes on my desk. Wish he wouldn't have brought this stupid thing to school anyways. But I'm still gonna use it, because I already made a mess. Well, John made a mess, not me. Let's put this all in. Perfect. At least the kids are gone so they can stop staring at me like weirdos. Aha! Perfect. Lovely balloon. Now we shall inflate it a little bit more. Perfect, got the next step. I am so smart. I wonder when those kids are gonna be back. Why do they always get such long lunch breaks and I get hardly even 10 minutes? It's so unfair. Oh wait, I think this is my lunch break. Oh well, I'll eat after, during class. Oh, the kids are coming back. Oh, hey kids, how are you doing? Oh, there's a new student. Oh, hi, what's your name? Oh, Joseph, hi, nice to meet you. Yeah, sorry about the mess. Sorry about the mess, Joseph. Yeah, we had a party in here, so yeah, that's why there's a mess. Yeah, I know. We were just playing with balloons and throwing confetti. It was very fun. Everyone was participating, not just me. Yeah, you know what? You can sit back there next to Chelsea. She's a very good kid, and we're gonna get on with our day. So, I guess since you're a new student, you can start to get to know everyone, because right after lunch, as you may or may not know, is free time for a couple minutes. So, before we get working, you guys can talk if you want. Yeah. Filbert, I'm only letting you talk just because they're a new kid and I want to seem nice, so you better be nice. Be nice, I swear. Do not blow it for the new kid. Anyways, I'm just gonna pop this one more last balloon. So nice of me. Thank you so much, John, for bringing it. Where's my thumbtack? Oh, there it is. Well, are you kids ready? This balloon, I will pop it because, Chelsea is a great student. Filbert is not. I didn't mean to say that, huh? I meant to say, that, Joseph is a great student, huh? Really? Well, that's, sad. It just... Oh, well, I guess it's just deflating? Okay then. Kids, I'm mad at you because you made the balloon deflate or something. I don't know, just... Kids, get back to your work, please. We're going to go to page 65, I believe, in math. So yeah, you can start working on your math while I figure out what's going on with this balloon. Where's my thumbtack? Are you doing your math, kids? Good, you're doing your math while I fiddle around with this little balloon thing. Well, I guess it's deflated. That's sad. Oh, I wish it would have popped. That would have been more exciting. Celebration. This celebration is not for you, Filbert, so look away. It's for Chelsea. A sad deflated balloon. Oh well. Well, thank you, John, for being so kind and buying me this nice toy. Oh wait, you stuck it in the glass. Whatever. Be careful, kids. I might sneeze on you. Well, looks like we have a mess to clean up, don't we, Filbert? I would like you to clean that up, please, because you were so nice today in class. Right, Joseph? He was so nice today, you're going to get to clean it up. Okay, Filbert? Thank you. Yeah, you could go ahead and just start cleaning that up. So, yeah. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and by the time I get back, Filbert, it better be clean. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go to the bathroom really quick. Be right back. Okay, I'm back from the bathroom, and wow, it's actually clean. I'm impressed. Who cleaned it? John did? Wait, Filbert helped? What? There's no way. He did? Wow, I'm impressed. I didn't think he would do such a thing. Well, anyways, there's still a little bit of glitter. That's very annoying. Let me just clean it up myself since you guys were incapable of cleaning. Anyways, I guess it's time for you guys to go. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Well, actually, I don't even care. Well, anyways, see you later. Bye, kids. You're dismissed. Bye.